In 7 days between September 15th to September 21st, I did $15,648 worth of sales for my Canadian-based clothing brand here, and I spent $1,080 on ads. That's a return on ad spend of 14.49. I did 14x in revenue what I spent on ads. You're probably thinking, how in God's green earth did you have a return on ad spend of 14.49? Well, in this video here, I'm going to share with you exactly, in detail, what I did to get these sales for my brand so that you can put this in place for your own brand and get the same results. I can't wait to share it with you. Here it is. Apparel Success here is sponsored by my buds over at Designcrowd. And if you struggle with designs, I really recommend that you try them out. You post a project on Designcrowd. Amazing designers from all around the world are going to compete for your project. You choose the winner, then you get that design plus revisions. I've sold thousands of these designs through my website, and I got them all made through Designcrowd. If you're interested, head over to designcrowd.com/apparel to learn about the special offer that I have for you, or just use the discount code apparel when you post a project on Designcrowd. All of these sales that I made didn't come from ads. That's why the return on ad spend was so high. I only spent $1,000 on ads. I made $15,000 worth of sales. And the way that I was able to make $15,000 worth of sales wasn't from the $1,000 I spent on ads. It was from all of the organic that I was doing on TikTok and Instagram Reels. And so that is what I'm going to share with you in this video, is how exactly I managed to make $15,000 worth of sales for my brand on TikTok, which I know right now you're probably thinking there's no friggin' way, but I swear that's what happened, and I'm going to show with you exactly how you can do it for your own brand. The way that I made these $15,000 worth of sales was by having a couple of videos go viral on TikTok, and this was completely intentional, and I knew exactly what I was doing. And I want to break down for you exactly what my thought process was and what my strategy was so that you can do this for your own brand. And so what had happened was I released 4 new hoodies for my brand and a new toque this fall season. I'm a Canadian lifestyle brand representing rural Canada, so all of my clothing has designs inspired by the things that we say here in rural Canada and the Canadian humor surrounding it. And basically I have this new hoodie called the Hackin' Darts hoodie, which is what I'm wearing right now. Hackin' Darts is like smoking cigarettes. In Canada, it's like a joke that you're like hacking darts. Darts is like a cigarette. I don't know if you understand that, but it's just a part of my niche here. And so I knew that it was a really funny product. I knew that, the degenerates here in Canada, the degens, as we call them, would really like it. And so I was thinking, like, how can I make a post on TikTok that really gets in front of my audience and that will really get a laugh out of them, get them wanting to share it with their friends? So here's what I did. I know how the TikTok algorithm works. The longer that you can hold people's attention on your video and get them to watch it to the end, the more likely TikTok is to value that content and want to show it to a larger audience. So I was thinking, how can I create a TikTok video of a product for my clothing brand that people really want to watch right until the end? And so what I did was, I knew this product that I had was really funny. I knew it was a great idea. And what I did was, instead of just showing the hoodie immediately right away on the design, I decided I would slowly tease into the design and sort of make it like a reveal. And I know that this looks super easy when you're watching it right now, like there's no real thought that went into this, but I promise you, before I made this video, I was thinking, how can I capture some attention right away off the bat and get people to really get sucked into this, like, oh, what am I about to see here? And then on the reveal, deliver and give them a product that they actually find funny, that they actually want to wear, and that's really cool design. And so that's exactly what I did. And this video here went somewhat viral on TikTok, and it really crushed, and it led to a lot of people going to the website, and it led to a lot of sales. So I made this video for 2 of the hoodies that I released this fall that I thought were the coolest designs that would really resonate the most with my audience, and I did this teasing way of doing it, and they crushed for both. Also, a little small detail to mention here is I used really hyper-focused hashtags when I was making these posts. So because my clothing brand is Canadian, some of the hashtags that I used were only in Canada, hashtag Canadian made, hashtag Givener, hashtag Givener bud, because I know that that's going to help the TikTok algorithm and TikTok know exactly who to show this to offer the most amount of value, where people will actually like what they're seeing. So my thought process around this is like, I believe in my products, I know that they're good, and I just need the right people to see them in the right way, and it will lead to a lot of sales and a lot of good things will happen. And that's exactly what happened. And so what I did here after these 2 videos went viral, and it was leading to a lot of sales on my website because people are finding the link on your TikTok, going to your website and making that purchase of the hoodie that they just saw. What I did after this happened is I took a reply from one of the videos, because on TikTok you can reply to comments with a video, and I made another video that was highlighting this hoodie, and that video went even more viral, like 230,000 views. And you can even read through all the comments, people saying, definitely gonna have to buy one, where do I order, where do I buy one, and just so many people wanting to buy this product, and you're generating so much interest without spending any money on ads. And that's exactly what happened with these $15,000 worth of sales that I made in 7 days, only spending $1,000 on ads. You know, I still had a pretty decent return on those ads. I probably made like $3,000 or $4,000 worth of sales from them. But to make $15,000, that's where, you know, the organic stuff really does some serious damage. And I highly recommend trying this for your own brand. Like, instead of thinking like, oh, I'm just going to show this product, think, how can I hold people's attention and really tease in to the product and really like make it this fun reveal thing that really will allow the TikTok algorithm to really send that out to more people. And I highly recommend trying this, not just once, but multiple times for your own clothing brand, because it worked wonders for me, and I'm going to continue to do it into the future here. You know, maybe 1 out of every 10 posts that I make will be sort of around the products that I sell. And I really hope that that helps and inspires you and motivates you to, you know, try some things out like this for your own brand. My clothing brand marketing program is 50% off until the end of the year, and this is the last sale that I'm ever going to have. I break down real conversations I've had with celebrities and influencers to land endorsements for my own brand. I show you how to grow a real following on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube from scratch. And I show you how to set up, structure, and scale up Facebook ads and TikTok ads for your clothing brand. If you're interested, you can learn more about what's inside at clothingbrandmarketing.com, and I hope to see you inside.